in a dress, she cute in some jeans. She ain't a member, she is the team. When I'm on the go, she know where I be. She is my rock, she is my queen. She is my rock, what's that the up?
And as you guys can see from the title below, this is going to be a quick unboxing of my Apple Watch 3. Now, a lot of you guys was asking me on Snapchat to do a quick unboxing, so that is what this video is going to be about. Now, I did not purchase the Apple Watch 3 when it first came out, simply because I wanted to see real reviews on the Apple Watch 3. I haven't heard any bad things about the watch, and right now I am testing out the Apple Watch, not the Apple Watch, what? The iPhone 10 or X, whatever you want to call it. And right now I think I'm on day 3 or 4. So I will have my full review coming up on that as well. You guys know I have 2 iPhone 8 Pluses. So, you know, it's been a challenge for your girl using the X and the 10. But like I said, I will give you guys my full thoughts and things like that once I'm done and do my full review and things like that. So this is the watch. I did get the, where is it on here? It comes in 2 different sizes. I got the 42 and I got gold pink sand sports, and this is the GPS plus cellular. So we're just gonna unbox it real quickly. I got some scissors here. And I want to know if you guys have the Apple Watch 3, or if you don't have the Apple Watch 3, let me know what watch you have. And if you do have the Apple Watch 3, let me know your thoughts and things about the watch. And let me know how you've been liking it and what you like about it. So I'm just going to take the paper off, and all the information is on the back. It doesn't really tell you much about it. It just tells you what it includes and stuff like that. So the white is probably going to wash out in this video, but that's how it looks like that. And then it's like stuck. Okay, so the white is washing out, you guys, but when you first open it, it just says designed by Apple in California, but I'm sure you guys cannot see that. There it is right there, because the white always washes out. And then in the inside of this was all of this. It's like another part. The lighting is so bad you can't see right here of the watch. I guess like a replacement. And then that's pretty much it as far as right here. And then this is not the true color. The light is so bright in front of the window I'm sitting in. And then I have my ring light on as well. And then it comes with these instructions. Like I said, you can't see all of that. And then this is how the watch looks. It's really, really cute. You guys know I do have a rose gold iPhone, the 8 Plus. I know it seems like I have so many phones, you guys, but I promise you I use them all. So this one, it looks like it matches, but then it looks like it don't match. We'll see. So I'm gonna just take it out. And then what else is in here? Then when you take this out, it just has like the USB and the cords and stuff in there like that. You guys can see. So that's that. And then here is the watch. And this is how the back looks. I'm just gonna take it off. And it pretty much shows you different things on it right here, like 1, 2, 3, and all that good jazz. So I'm just going to take all the plastic off. And this is the only color I would have got. I definitely didn't like the black one because obviously I don't have no phones that's black. I do have so many accessories I have coming. So stay tuned for Apple Watch accessories, because you guys know your girl is not going to be like rocking this watch with this basic on here. As a matter of fact, Kalia got some rose gold cute little accessories they got for Christmas. So I'll probably use some of hers until, but it's turning on, as you guys can see. And I never play with my kids' Apple Watches, so I have no idea. Like, I've seen different reviews and stuff on them, but you know, it's different when you have the phone playing with it yourself. But I mean, I think it's really, really, really cute. I feel like it's a little overpriced. Showing me different ways to set up the phone. I'm not gonna set it up. It's telling me to bring my iPhone near my Apple Watch and do stuff like that and set it up, but I'm definitely not going to set it up here. I'm going to set it up on camera. I will come back and do like my thoughts, first impressions, review on this watch. If you guys want to give it a thumbs up or leave it in the comments down below. But this was just a quick unboxing of this watch. I really do think it's really, really pretty. This color is so cute. I've ordered so many cute, like blingy, accessories to go with this watch. I think this color is the more girly one if you're looking to get a watch, and of course if you're not into, you know, like rose gold, they do have a black one. But I'm really, really excited to use this watch. I know it's not as new, but this is still the newest one. But yeah, I really do like it, and I will come back and give you guys my thoughts and stuff like that. So this is just my quick unboxing of the watch. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a big thumbs up. If you guys want any, like, well, I think I'm just going to go ahead and do an accessories video for the watch, because I know when I'm filming, if I am wearing this, I'm sure so many people are going to ask me, like, where did I get the bands for and stuff like that. Really cute bands. Some of them look like this, like with the diamonds on it, like I have on my, this is a Michael Kors blingy watch, and it has bling all around it and on the bands. I actually have some like that for my Apple Watch. So pretty. So when I do that video, I'll definitely leave the links down below where I purchased mine from. So if you guys want to get you some, you can definitely do that. But that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, Instagram and Snapchat. Snapchat get first dibs on everything. Snapchat is where they saw this first. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing. You guys requested it, so of course I wanted to do it, because most of the time, anytime I get anything, you guys always want to, I said I wasn't going to set this up on camera. It's asking me to select the language, of course, and then like your region, which is United States. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and set this up off camera. I don't want to prolong this video with me setting up my watch, but I'm definitely gonna love it. I definitely am gonna love the fact that I can leave my phones at home sometimes and use this, because it's cellular on here as well. I feel like I'm not in focus, and I'm sorry if the lighting keeps going in and out. It's making me look so much darker, but I mean, that's fine too. But I just want you guys to see the watch. I think it's really pretty. Like I said, leave some comments down below. If you have an Apple Watch, let me know how much you like it. If you don't like it, your thoughts on it. If you have a 1 or a 2, give me your thoughts on your watch as well. And if you're not subscribed, definitely subscribe, and definitely click the notification bell. I'm going to have a giveaway coming up really soon, and you might want to have a notification bell. Click it, click it, click it. It's in right there. Just click the notification. So anytime I upload videos, you will get the notification, because now I see YouTube has been tripping, because I've been getting people snapping me like, are you still uploading videos? Because I ain't getting a notification. Girl, yes, I'm still uploading videos. So click the bell, honey, so you get the notification. I love you guys so much. And until next time, you guys. Bye.
Baby, your picture perfect. Your smile